From browsing the web to streaming videos to using social media, there are just too many ways to burn through your phone's data allowance, unless you are lucky enough to have an unlimited plan. Now, video streaming services have gained a widespread popularity, and social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram have also integrated video services as a mainstream appeal. It has become increasingly difficult to reduce data usage on Android. And that's exactly why today I will be showing 7 amazing ways to reduce mobile data usage on Android devices. Excited? So let's get started. Limit your data usage in Android settings. Setting a limit to your monthly data usage is the easiest way you can do to avoid using surplus amounts of data without your knowledge. You can limit your mobile data usage on Android via the Settings application. Head over to the Settings and tap on Data Usage, Billing Cycle, Data Limit, and Billing Cycle. There you can set the maximum amount of data you intend to use in a month. Additionally, you can also opt for automatic disconnection from the network once the data is reached. Restrict app background data. Some apps keep consuming mobile data even when the smartphone is not in use. The background data allows you to keep your apps monitored and updated while multitasking or when the screen is off. But every app doesn't need to use a background data at all times. Go to Settings, the Data Usage, and you can see the statistics for which app is consuming how much of data. Tap on particular application and you can see both the foreground and background data usage of that particular app. The foreground data usage is the data consumed by the app when it is actively used by you when open. And the background data is the data consumed when you are not using the app, and the app is running in the background. It requires no action and occurs automatically. This can include things like automatic app updates or sync. If you find that background app is too high for an app and you don't need the app to stay in the background at all times, tap on Restrict App Background Data. This ensures that the app will consume data only when it is open and thereby use less data. Use data compression in Google Chrome. The Google Chrome is one of the most popular Android browsers. It has an inbuilt feature that can significantly reduce data consumption on Android. When data compression is turned on, all of your traffic is passed through a proxy run by Google. Your data is compressed and optimized before being sent to your phone. This results in lower data consumption and also speeds up loading of pages without any significant change in web content. To use the data compression, open Google Chrome, tap on the hamburger icon on the top right corner and tap on Settings and scroll down to the Data Saver. There you can tap on the up right corner to toggle Data Saver on. Turning Data Saver on also implements Chrome's safe browsing system to detect malicious pages and protect you from malware and harmful content. You can revisit that settings panel in Google Chrome to see how much data you have saved over a period of time. Use data manager apps like Datally. This is a newly realized app by Google that helps users understand their data usage on an hourly, daily, or weekly and monthly basis and get personalized recommendations for how you can save more. Once you turn on the data saver bubble, the app blocks background data usage and tracks real-time data usage while using each of your applications. With one time, you can block data if an app's data usage gets out of control. The Cache Google Maps for offline use. Did you know that you can save maps in the Google Maps application? The caching Google Maps for offline use can save both your time and data. Once a map is downloaded, you can even navigate when the phone is offline just by using your GPS. This proves to be handy for daily commute and when you're traveling, as you can never be sure whether some places will have network coverage. It is a good idea to download the map of your home area and regions you frequently travel to. So next time you're on Wi-Fi, open Google Maps, go to menu and select offline maps. There you can tap on select your own map and zoom in or out to select the area you want to be available offline. Once you have decided upon the area, simply press on download button. Optimize account sync settings. Your account sync settings are to auto-sync by default. Keep auto-sync disabled for data-hungry apps like Facebook and Google+, which use sync services to sync files to photos and videos, consuming a lot of data in the process. The Google constantly syncs your data when a change is made. Most of these sync services might not be required. This background sync service affects both your data consumption and battery life. To adjust your sync setting, open the Go to Settings accounts. There you can find a tune sync setting for different applications. To optimize a Google sync, tap on Google and turn off the options you don't require. For example, I don't need a Google Fit data, the Google Play Movies, and the Google Play Music to be synced on. So I toggle them off while keeping the other services on to be synced. Update apps over Wi-Fi only. One of the most effective ways to reduce mobile data consumption is to disable automatic app updates in Google Play Store. Go to Play Store and tap on Menu, Settings, Auto Update Apps. Make sure that you select Auto Update Apps or Wi-Fi only. Alternatively, you can choose Do Not Auto Update Apps, but it's not recommended since you will have to remember from time to time update your apps manually. So, did you find these ways to reduce data usage on Android to be helpful? Share your reviews and suggestions in the comments below. And for such videos, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to make sure that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. So this is KSK signing off from Extreme Drive. You guys have a great day.